I'm redecorating. Putting the silver on top, the gold in the middle. Put the gold with the beige and the white down. Put the linens down there. It has the gold trim and everything like that. Redesigning the whole dining room. I'll post another video later after I'm done.